And welcome back to my holiday organizing series, where I have been trying to upload one organizing tip daily to hopefully help you achieve a little bit more organization this holiday season. Now, Christmas is just a couple days away, and if you're like me, my house has taken a beating. I mean, with all the running around and trying to get everything ready, I have been dropping things and not putting them away right away. So I wanted to share with you in this video 3 tidying tips that are both very fast and very easy to do. And they also have a huge transformative effect on your house and will make it look a lot more neat and organized. Number 1 is to do a fast declutter. Now, what I mean by that is don't pick up one item and take it and put it back and then come back and grab another item and then go put it back and you're going back and forth all day. No, don't do that. Grab yourself some kind of bin and just grab all the items that are out of place all at once. Then take that bin around and put everything away. It goes a lot faster if you just do it all in one go like that. Number 2 is make sure all your surface areas in your house are clean and clear of clutter. Now, what I mean about that is minimize the items on there. Keep them as clear of any extra things as possible. Because honestly, when surface areas have a lot of stuff on them, it makes you feel like things are more cluttered around your house. So clean off those surface areas of desks, of kitchen islands, or end tables. And number 3, clean out that kitchen sink. Get the dishes out of there, get them in the dishwasher, or if you don't have a dishwasher, go ahead, bite the bullet, and wash those dishes. Get that sink clean. Your future self will thank you. So if you do those 3 tidying techniques of clearing all the clutter around your house, keeping your surface areas clear, and getting that kitchen sink cleaned out, you will feel a lot more peaceful because you are a lot more organized this holiday season. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you want even more organizing tips and organizing checklists and organizing templates, I have created a 55-page downloadable PDF that you can purchase. I'll put a link to that downloadable PDF in the description box below. Go check it out. I'd love your support. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.